Hi, welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you a couple of products that we bought when we upgraded our caravan, and we bought an awning and all new accessories, etc. So in this video I've got two products for you, one of which is these Kampa Limpets, and the second is something that I bought that I added to our caravan draft skirt. There's going to be a little top tip in this video as well, just a little heads up, don't do what I did. You'll see in just a few moments time, but first I just want to show you these. Right, so there's three parts to the limpet. The sucker, which goes against your caravan, that goes through the hole, the preset hole that's in your awning, or you can actually buy this product, which is a limpet hole punch. So if you haven't got the holes, you can actually buy the punch that makes the holes for you. So you push that through the hole, your awning goes through onto there, that then clips onto there, that one goes on there, and then you tighten it up, and that's how it works. So as you're tightening it, right, as I was saying, mine came with holes already in, but like I say, you can buy the punch. So we start with the sucker, push that through the hole, then this bit goes on there, and then that bit screws on. So you want to start it off and then push it against your caravan, gently keep tightening, and then there you go. And they are quite strong. The only time these popped off is when we got really strong gusts, and when I look back, they did pretty well to survive as long as they did, because we were getting gusts of about 60 miles an hour. So for these to hold for 60-mile-an-hour winds, I'm pretty impressed. But during normal weather conditions, I think that was really adverse, really strange for August. That to have winds and two storms short, one after the other like that, it's not really heard of. So there you go, it just stops all the draft getting in behind your awning. So I'm really quite impressed with them. So now we'll move on to the next little item I bought. So there you go, that was the limpet set that I bought. One problem that I did have, the camper awning came with a draft skirt, but it kind of like drooped where the twin axle, where the two wheels were, and it left quite a big gap across the top. So I was looking for different things that would block that gap up, and I came across this product. But here's a top tip for you, which you'll see now because I made a bit of a mistake. So this is a bit of a top tip: always check your caravan before buying that product, because I'll show you now. So I've attached the product. It comes with this plastic that you join it to your existing draft skirt, but I didn't plan ahead. So this is the product I bought with the little pockets in. See if anybody can spot my mistake. Yeah, there's my mistake. The vent for the domestic fridge. Because when you lift this up, because it comes with limpets, when you lift this up, oh dear, and as you can see, there's the pockets. Oh dear, it's going to block me vent to my fridge. So this is what I've had to do to get around it. Right, so here we go. This is what I've had to do. I've had to leave the middle limpet off and just attach the two end ones. So it filled the gap nicely, and as you can see, it comes with 6 pockets all the way along. Claire likes to put in magazines and wet wipes, suntan lotion, after sun, keys, you know, all your little bits and bobs, while she's sat here either stitching or reading. So we thought it would kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It would give you a little bit of storage area and block up the draft. It's loosely fitted at the moment. It's normally tight against like that, but it really does work. It really does cut out the draft from underneath, well, from above those 2 wheels. So I thought I was being dead clever. I just didn't bank on this. So the only thing I can do now is, when it's positioned perfectly, I'm going to have to cut that chunk out, that section out, put a hole there and move that limpet across, and then put a hole there and put one of the spare limpets I've got there, so it's cut out like that. So that's one job for our next trip. So me being clever didn't account for this here. So there you go, there's your top tip. Always. So there you go, silly me, made a little mistake, but I just wanted to pass that little top tip on to you all if you were interested in buying one of these draft skirts, these little add-on draft skirts with the pockets in. I'll put links in the description if you're interested in buying one. Just don't make my mistake. Just have a little look at your caravan, see where your wheels are, where your fridge vent is, and don't make my mistake, because I'm going to have to cut a big chunk of it out. So if you found that useful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, help us grow. And until next time, ta-ra.